Hey everybody, welcome back. My name is Drew, and in this video I'm going to continue building the Academy 1/72 scale F-4J Phantom. And as I mentioned in the first part of this video build, it is a snap fit kit, and so far it's going together pretty well. I do have to use glue on some of the real small pieces, but as you can see, I got the cockpit installed and the lower half of the fuselage installed. So in this video I'm going to continue building I got to build the intakes, and moving on from there, putting the intakes on and the top of the wings on, and that's where I'm at. So thank you for joining me. I appreciate it. If you like my builds and want to continue seeing my videos, consider giving me a sub, which is one of the little arrows down at the bottom, if you don't mind. I'd appreciate that. But what I've done off camera is I went ahead and painted the inside of the air intakes just a flat white. Okay, and so before installing those onto the plane, I've got to put them together. I also painted the compressor fans using Tamiya. I use Tamiya X10 gunmetal for the compressor fans. Okay, so what I'm going to do is to assemble these. You got to install the compressor fans, and then put this part of the intake on, and then glue them together or snap them together. So let me get the parts off, and I'll be right back. Okay, so this slides in here. There it goes. Finally. Now that's pretty tight. I'm going to add just a little bit of glue right on top of the pen. A little insurance. Okay, now put the compressor fans in. And this one. And that's going to go right here. It's pretty snug. Well, it's kind of loose, but so we'll just put a little bit of cement like that. Okay. So now we need the other half. Okay, this is going to go right here. So you got two slots right there, or holes, and then you got the pins, and this sits on top. There we go. one intake done. I'll get the other one done, and then we'll put them on the planes. Okay, so now these slide in here. It's supposed to be easy. There we go. There we go. And once you get it in there, it should snap in. Like that. Go ahead and add a little bit of glue into the joint. A little gap there. What to do with that? And same thing with this one. Got to kind of maneuver it in there. There it goes. Looks like that. Crazy light above me keeps going on and off. Okay, now we can put the wings on. There we go. Just snaps into place. All right, that's that. So so I can add this. This is the parachute housing door. And it's the top. It's right there. So while this is going to dry, I'm going to go ahead and maybe put some of the landing gear together and get everything ready for primer.
Already with a tough start. Solo home run to Smoke now hitting Narvaez with 2 outs. And now having to deal with Lorenzo Kane, who's got a couple of base hits already and a couple of runs scored.
And you just mentioned a couple of runs scored and base hits, but I'd argue that the most impactful thing he's done today, getting that run down,
Yes.
and then direct traffic during that run down, right? I mean, ended up leading 2 runs.
This MLB on Fox telecast is presented by Rocket Mortgage. 4-3 Brewers have the lead as we head to the 6th. Kyle Schwarber 2-run home run for the Cubs has them leading. And now it'll be up to Big Brad.
Okay, everybody, so I got everything assembled that I want to get assembled in this session. I went ahead and put the hard points together, as you saw, and got those on sticks. Those a little fall off there. And went ahead and did these off camera, but I put the drop tanks together, and I cleaned up the seams, just a little light sanding. And I also have all the missiles and bombs separated and cleaned up. So my next step is to start doing some priming, and what I want to do first is get everything, on cocktail sticks or something, so I could easily paint those. One thing I realized I got in a hurry is I didn't I didn't paint around this. Usually that's black. I should have sprayed that before I even put the cockpit in, so what I'll do is I'll hand paint that part in the middle, and then when I mask, I will just mask around everything. One thing too is that I probably should have waited as well, is putting the ejection seats in. You could wait till you're pretty much done with the build to put those in. Would make a little masking a little bit easier. I don't know if I can. Well, looks like I could get them out, but anyway, I'll see. If they come out easy, I'll take them out and then put them in later. But anyway, thank you guys, appreciate it, and take a look at some other videos that are popping up on your screen, and the next video we'll get to painting. Take care.